Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have 5 looks for you with a denim jacket. Denim jackets are super fun. They're versatile, they're affordable. They come in so many different colors and different materials now. So definitely, they give you a lot of options in your closet. So here I took this fun leopard print dress that I got from Ross a while back and added a denim jacket to it. Denim jackets are really perfect for dresses. And if you're somebody like me that's not really comfortable with their arms, denim jackets are your go-to. So here I took a denim jacket and put it with a romper that's pretty much a sweatpant material that I got from Target a while back. And as you can see, it just adds something to the outfit. And this is a really easy outfit. You add sneakers or your Converse and you are ready to go out the door. So the next look I have is this beautiful romper. I love this color on my skin tone. I got this from Walmart way back. It's a really cute romper, but it is super light and you can see through everything. So you do have to wear shapewear. So that's one of the reasons they kind of I've been putting off on wearing it. But I feel like this would be a perfect outfit to add a denim jacket to. And this is really great for like a date night or just running errands or maybe going for like a party that's maybe outdoors and stuff like that. This is really cute with a denim jacket. Okay, guys, move over. Party girl coming through. So I bought this tutu dress from Amazon a while back. It was supposed to be for my son's birthday, but I ended up not wearing it because it does get chilly since my son's birthday is usually in February. But I thought this would be a fun way to wear a denim jacket. Putting something kind of fun at the bottom and, adding a jewelry and really nice shoes, and you are set to go and have a great time. This next look is so me when I'm in mom mode. This is taking a denim jacket with either sweatpants, leggings, shorts, and stuff like that, and just running out the door. You could put on your sneakers, your slides, and you are all set to go. Last but not least is this simple look, but with a little twist. I really love this pants that I got from Amazon way back. These pants are super wide leg. If you are tall, they are a dream. And I love these pants because they're super casual, but they could be dressed up a little more. So you could put like, a one piece inside this, to go to the beach. You could put a denim jacket like I did here, and have like a casual look going. You could dress it up with like jewelry and stuff like that and have a whole, outfit to go dancing the night away. So these pants are really, really, really comfy. They are really fun, and I want them to death. As you can see, they're starting to fade a little bit because I've just been washing them and reusing them so many times. But they are really, really, they fit really great.